Hey guys, it's me, Forrest, again, and we now have birds. I haven't posted in like the last 2 years, so please like and subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss another video. I hope we will be posting more. We just got the playground and we've had the birds for about 5 months.
About half a year, right? Almost half a year-ish? Almost half a year.
We bought lots of toys, even bought a playground.
Almost 6 months. Yeah, almost 5 months.
And I'm taking you to the Super Omega Playground. What's up? Just barely fits. This is my sister's school supplies. School is starting tomorrow. Yeah, I'm scared.
Stop it, Forrest.
Why?
I'm giving them a bath later today.
Just gave them a mini bath. That is going to be it. Normally YouTube videos are much longer than 2 minutes and 10 seconds, but that is it. Bye.